this video, I will be showing you how to create video presentation using Canva. Once you're on Canva, all you'll need to do below the search bar, you're going to select presentations. After selecting presentations, from here you can select the dimension that you would like to use. So let's say for example 16 by 9. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be able to create your presentation. So for example, you could go over to the left-hand menu option and you could upload the different sectors or information that you'd like to add to your presentation. Or another thing that I recommend you do is you can select any one of these templates and from there you can quickly customize it. Or you can tap on layouts from the top left hand corner, and then from there you can see different layout options that you can select from. So for example, you can tap on list and you can see different list layouts. You can tap on pictogram, you can see agenda right there. There are different layout options that you can select from. You can also choose from different styles most of the time. Now let's say for example's sake, I would like to use this presentation. All I'll need to do is simply tap on it. Then after doing that, I can scroll down and you can see different options that I can also add. So let's say for example, I'm going to be applying all of these pages. Now after doing this, to convert it to a video, all you'll need to do is tap on present in the top right hand corner. Once you have done that, you have three different options. You can either choose to present in full, present a view, or present and record. Once you have selected one of these options, you can tap on next. After doing that, I'll tap on go to recording studio. Then from here, you can enable your camera if you want. You can also choose the audio device that you would like to use. So whether you like to use the built-in microphone for the device that you're creating the presentation on, or you want to use an external microphone, you can select that. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on start recording. After the countdown timer, you can start recording your presentation and you can follow through with your presentation as you can see right here. You can switch from slide to slide by simply tapping on the arrow right here, and you can also take notes during the presentation. To take notes, you'll simply tap on the pencil in the bottom right hand corner. And don't worry, the notes will only be visible to you as the notes will not be recorded, so it won't show when you are finished recording your video. Once everything is to your liking, you can tap on end recording or you can pause it in between. Once you're finished, you have tapped on end recording, you'll be provided with a link that you can share it. So you can tap on copy right here and you could share this link in an email or on any social media platform. Once someone receives it, all they'll need to do is tap on the link and then from there they can watch your video presentation as you can see right here. They don't have to be signed into Canva or anything like that. Another way how you can also share your presentation is by tapping on download. You'll be able to download your presentation as an MP4 video. Or you can tap on save and exit. After tapping on save and exit, if we were to go over to the left hand menu option and select uploads, then tap on audio, you will see that the audio track has been recorded for the presentation that we have just done. So if it is a case that you like to share the audio track only, you could do that. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.